Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling something pretty essential for homeowners. What do you do when your shower breaks down? We're digging into some sources, like the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical, to really understand why picking someone local, right in your area is often the smartest move.
Yeah, exactly. Basically, our goal today is simple. We're using a specific example, folks dealing with shower issues up in Squamish, British Columbia, to show a bigger point. We want to show you what local experts know that others might miss, and how that local knowledge, well, it saves you cash and actually makes your home better in the long run.
Okay, let's get into that. Our source material, like the Pacific Blue Mechanical site, really hammers home this idea of local expertise. But, let's be practical. If I've got a drip, maybe a big national chain gives me a cheaper quote right off the bat. How do these sources argue against just going for that lowest upfront price?
That's a really good question, because it boils down to preventing bigger issues later. The argument is that local pros are aware of specific, maybe hidden problems common in your community. Take Squamish. They have unique geology there. It means the water is extremely hard.
Yeah.
A generic plumber might not even think about that.
Okay, hard water. So what does that actually do to a shower? Keep it really simple for us.
Right. Well, think of it like plaque in an artery, but for your pipes. Hard water has lots of minerals, like calcium. Over time, these minerals build up inside the pipes. It's called scaling. It chokes the water flow, puts a ton of stress on everything.
Until something breaks.
Exactly, until something bursts. A local expert, someone who sees this Squamish hard water issue all the time, knows which pipes are likely to fail. They know what needs replacing, not just a quick patch. They've seen it before.
I see. So it's not just fixing a leak, it's understanding the underlying cause that's specific to the area.
Precisely. And it's not just the water. It's also about knowing local building rules and the climate. Fixing a bathroom in a damp place like Squamish, you absolutely have to know how to stop mold and mildew before they start growing behind the walls. That's huge for the structure and, well, for your health too.
Right, mold is definitely something you don't want. Okay, let's shift gears a bit from prevention to the long-term money side of things. The source material points out that tiny leaks, if you ignore them, can turn into really big problems: hidden water damage, mold. What's the single biggest financial win, the real long-term benefit of getting professional help right away with a guarantee?
It's that guarantee, really, that's the core of it. The biggest win is stopping a small, maybe annoying issue from becoming a disaster that tanks your property value. When you hire a local pro, like the ones Pacific Blue Mechanical talks about, you often get a solid warranty on the parts and the work. So if that same pipe fails again in 6 months because, say, the hard water issue wasn't fully addressed, you're covered. They have to come back and fix it right.
Ah, okay. And without that warranty, if it breaks again, you're paying all over again. What started small suddenly becomes a huge expense.
Exactly right. And let's connect that back to the hidden damage. Preventing that secret water leak, that mold growing where you can't see it. That's critical. Hidden mold. That can seriously scare off potential buyers or force you to drop your asking price by like 15–20% maybe?
Yeah.
Fixing it right the first time protects your investment. It keeps your home's value up.
So wrapping this up for you listening, choosing a local expert, like the kind discussed by Pacific Blue Mechanical, isn't just about stopping a drip today. It's really an investment. You're getting guaranteed work from people who understand the unique quirks of your neighborhood. And that stops small headaches from turning into massive financial nightmares down the road. Makes sense.
Yeah, it really does. And that brings up a final thought for you. We talked about how experts in coastal BC know about hard water and humidity because, well, they live with it. So what about your area? What unique local challenges do you face? Maybe it's shifting soil, maybe it's extreme temperature swings, maybe something else entirely. What are those things that only a true local expert, someone nearby, would really understand and know how to fix properly? It's worth thinking about. Find that local know-how.